I was committing slow suicide because I didn't know how to relax by Paul Sampson from book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, narration by Riazul Islam Khan. Up to 6 months ago, I was rushing through life in high gear. I was always tense, never relaxed. I arrived home from work every night worried and exhausted from nervous fatigue. Why? Because no one ever said to me, Paul, you're killing yourself. Why don't you slow down? Why don't you relax? I would get up fast in the morning, eat fast, shave fast, dress fast, and drive to work as if I were afraid the steering wheel would fly out the window if I didn't have a death grip on it. I worked fast, hurried home, and at night even tried to sleep fast. I was in such a state that I went to see a famous nerve specialist in Detroit. He said me to relax. By the way, he gave me the same principles for relaxation that are advocated on page 210 to 214 of this book. He told me to think of relaxing all the time, to think about it when I was working, driving, eating, and trying to go to sleep. He told me that I was committing slow suicide because I didn't know how to relax. Ever since then, I have practiced relaxation. When I go to bed at night, I don't try to go to sleep until I have consciously relaxed my body and my breathing. And now I wake up in the morning rested, a big improvement because I used to wake up in the morning tired and tense. I relax now when I eat and when I drive. To be sure, I am alert when driving, but I drive with my mind now instead of my nerves. I repeat, to be sure, I am alert when driving, but I drive with my mind instead of my nerves. This is the current position. The most important place I relax is at my work. Several times a day, I stop everything and take inventory of myself to see if I am entirely relaxed. When the people rings now, no longer do I grab it as though someone were trying to beat me to it. And when someone is talking to me, I am as relaxed as a sleeping baby. The result, life is much more pleasant and enjoyable, and I am completely free of nervous fatigue and nervous worry. Thank you for listening.